bit rusty.
A bit rusty, yeah.
There they go, there they go. Spool up, boys, spool up.
Oh. Yep.
Little fella.
Couple of little fellas.
Little fella?
No, they're all heads, huh? Oh, there's some water. Put those on as liveys. Woo, the may love them.
Well, this party's simple.
Come on, look at that. What?
Oh, there is a fair bit of variety. Ooh! Cool. Obviously wanted to make a star out of himself, didn't he?
Right, we're on board. Get the aerator in there.
Okay, let's go.
Keep him ship shape.
Yep.
You just leave the port. Another live bait dropped out here. It's down deep though, line's down deep.
Not pulling any line, does it? Yeah, you go. Right. There you go, that's no one.
Live baiting, your handler's got a fish on the soft bait rod.
Get it, wind. You're right, Ron. Tuna, eh?
Tuna, Nick?
Taking him down.
That's cool. Can't do much about chasing down tuna though. Can you get any on it at the moment? No.
Oh,
Go, beautiful.
Decided to another run.
Yeah, maybe.
Nice fish.
He's absolutely jacket.
Yes!
I know about 3 foot, you know.
Oh, yes.
Boy, they bloody.
Oh, excellent. We did it.
Oh, the
Live
old
baiting on
live
soft bait gear.
I was quite prepared to give you a rescue
I know you were.
the last 2 minutes.
Look nicely, eh? Right in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah, locked in there.
Excellent.
What on smell?
One by row. There we go.
Very good.
Okay, dear. Let's go back around.
Great. Thank you. Right, we're on.
Okay, I'll stand corrected. They don't take live, they won't take these. See, that'll put you in one, will it?
What have we got? Yellowfin? A bit of colour there.
Get a slice. Hey, flip that right up. Try that again.
Nice fish.
Beauty.
Nice fish.
I think we have to go around the fat again.
Good size.
Fair enough.
Very good. Not bad. I'll bet.